Welcome back. It's Michael again. I wanted to pick up where we left off. I was showing you the front end of the consumer experience for the qualification process. This is the back-end software which you would fully have control over. And what's nice about it is it does not require any developer experience, IT experience, computer experience, specialized knowledge. Literally, it's a setup wizard, and you can update things in real time. So if criteria changes on a specific area of practice or campaign that you're running, you have the ability to come in to the back office and update the intake qualifications in real time. For example, this is the painkiller campaign or the opiate settlement campaign. If the person were to choose no on this very first question, they would automatically be disqualified. Now, the system allows you to give users a certain number of failed attempts before they are denied. It could be one, it could be two, it could be as many as you choose. And then it goes into a manual QC where one of your staff members would review why the person answered the question and failed once or twice or however many times you choose. But for this particular example, I want to show you how dynamic the system is. For example, there's been a lot of shift for addicted babies born to opiates. And so this is a live campaign, as we showed you on the previous demo. If we wanted to add a question here that says, are you male or female, yes or no, check yes for male, check no for female, then you could basically say, hey, anybody that says, yes, I'm female, we serve them up a separate set of questions that says, did you give birth to a baby that was born to addicted to opiates? In that case, we would then serve them up even more questions and, more importantly, send them a different retainer agreement than we would if the same person said, hey, I'm a male. They would not even see those questions. So it's very dynamic in terms of what it can do in real time. So say, for example, I wanted to add a new question in real time to this particular intake. Basically, the options are short text, long text, date, yes, no, multiple choice, multiple select. The difference between the two are multiple choice. You choose one of however many are there to choose from. Multi-select allows them to select as many as they want. Upload file is great. You can make that mandatory or optional. Say for bankruptcy, if you wanted the claimant to upload their debt statements, or car accident, you wanted to upload the picture of the wrecked car or their broken leg, or if it was Invocana, can you upload a picture of your amputated leg? Or in this case, can you upload proof that you were prescribed opiates, picture of a prescription bottle. There's also pattern matching, email source question, and comments, as well as an event matrix. So you also have the option of any condition applies or all condition applies. So I'm going to go back up here, for example, to the very first question. Did you or a loved one take opiates in the last 10 years? If they answer no, they automatically fail, and none of these questions will appear. For this particular question, the date of first use, we can only go back 10 years for this particular campaign. And so the system knows to go back 15,000 days, which is 10 years, from whatever current date that the person is going through the intake process. If it's beyond that, then it'll automatically fail them. So you have safety nets in place to ensure that nothing comes through the system as basically it would, if not better, than a staff doing a phone intake. So it's very dynamic. It's all updated in real time. Again, as things change, you can change it in real time without requiring a IT web developer or a web designer. So This is basically part 2 of designing the qualification process.